Hey, let me show you what to do if you don't receive notifications about your messages on your Galaxy Watch 8. So first of all, you have to remember that most of the notifications are actually mirrored with your phone. So if something is turned off on your phone, you will don't receive it on your watch. So start by opening system settings on your phone and try to find apps menu. So it actually depends on your phone model, but should be available just in the settings. In my case, it's just over here. Now you have to go for applications management or open app list, and you have to search for messages application. So in the most cases you will also get the alphabetic order, so it should be available just over here. Make sure that you have opened messages. Now go into its notifications, make sure that they are turned on, and also that you have enabled ringtone vibrations, and you can also go for incoming messages. Make sure that you turn on notifications and right now. Additionally, you can allow this in the do not disturb mode, because sometimes when you turn on the do not disturb mode, it will also turn it on your watch, and it will it will actually don't send you those messages. So make sure that you turn on that feature, or if you don't have this feature on your smartphone, make sure that you turn on the do not disturb mode, theater mode, or something like this that's blocking the messages notifications. And now you have to also open the Galaxy wearable application, go to the watch settings, open notifications, move to the app notifications, scroll for all of them, search for the messages application, and now just make sure that you have turned on notifications from the messages. And that's basically everything. This is all tips that I can give you about this issue. Let me know if it works.